Hey guys, what's up? And today, I was going to say, since the school year is coming back around, and I honestly think it's pretty interesting what people hold in their bags. Now, of course, as you can see, I carry a tote bag, and this is what I carry for high school currently. So yeah. And, of course, what I introduced in my last video was this. So, let's see how many likes or we have to subscribe today. So what should we go for this time around? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now 3. Let's make it interesting. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go for 8. If I can hook it. Ooh. Alright, so now let's go for 12 likes. Let's see if we can hit that goal. And now on to the video. So we're just gonna bag here a few stuff right here. It's because I have homework tonight. But I had a study day, so we got up early, so I had time to make videos finally. Sorry, I've been posting a million times. That's just because of the whole high school craziness. But I want to start out with a pretty simple thing everyone should have, which is a case. Now, of course, my own pencil case is technically my purse. I got the pencils in here and stuff. So as you can see, I just carry pens and highlighters in there. Pretty simple. And what I also carry is, if I can grab anything, is my agenda. And I bought this one over the summer. I love it. And it didn't come with these on the side. I added that myself. And of course, I have 2 binders. I love this one. Look at it. Look. It's so pretty. And inside this, I actually have a composition book, but also a folder because this one has no pockets. So that is basically for my pockets. And if I get any handouts in class. And then I have another. Well, I actually have another book, but this one's made just for my personal study. This is my composition book. I can show you. If you guys want a video on studying and stuff, like how to take notes, how I take notes, I don't know your preference, or like do a Pomodoro section. Okay. But yeah, so last we were working on microscopes. So I did this, and this is actually hand drawn. Yeah, so you can do this kind of stuff to study as well. And of course, put that to the side. And then I got my other folder and binder, notebook, whatever. Okay, yeah. So I got this. Then I also got my folder and so it's like my notebook. So of course those are a must. Full. And let's get to what's in here. So those were in there previously. I took them out. And yes, my tote bag has a charging place. I used that earlier today because boom, 66%. Not gonna roll with me. So yeah. So you guys can see pretty simple. I have a notebook. But I also, what most people do not try to do this, is if your bag has something like this, attach your keys to it. It is so worth it. Oop, now let's by the body. Let's see if you can find that thing in here. I see it. I see it. It popped up. Well, this was a hand sanitizer holder. I guess not. But whatever. So yeah, that was so off that. It's good for now. Okay. So I also have my other folder. Yeah, so I just have that one too. English thing. And I'm in band. So you guys might see more flute stuff. I might ask my dad to record performances or something. I don't know yet. But I'm definitely going to see if I can try to get some stuff on. So if I could try. Yeah, so this is my band binder. And this has about 4 years worth of music in it. And I also, oh yeah, I didn't mention this. I also have another folder, but that's just mainly for my homework. I have two. So I'm going to pull, and next I have another. All the basics. Depends on what your teacher wants. If you're in high school, if you're tired of actually book bags by second year, I recommend getting a tote bag. This one was about $29, I believe, off Amazon. It's pretty good. It held up all day today. It has a little thing when you're holding it. So you just put this around that one and you put it on your shoulder and it don't dig in. Yeah, and this is my homework folder. Of course, I have study hall this day. Now, if you guys don't have study hall yet and you're in like middle, trust me, you'll love it. And then the other thing I got in here is this. I put H because Hair Brittany, my old Minecraft name. I was obsessed with Hair Brian. Surprisingly still exists. I watch ONG. But anyways, oh, shout out to ONG. I love your channel. You guys, go give some love. Seriously. It's a good channel. But anyways, yeah, I got my portable charger in here. Sorry, I can't move the thing so you guys could get an inside view. I'm still using my computer. And of course, got 3 pencils on the inside. Mechanical, of course. And that's about it. That's actually in here. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video for today. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like it. Get to the 12 likes. And make sure to press this red subscribe button down below. And after that, step 2, click the bell. That case it goes ding and you can get more notifications from me. And then that's pretty much it. Yeah. Just comment down below if you want some of the stuff I said. I don't know if you guys want it. I'm not going to do it if you guys don't want me to do it. So, yeah. That's just it. That's all Thunder. Bye.